Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. In this video, we will try to understand the importance of topic in gate metallurgy. Okay, so we already discussed the section-wise weightage in gate metallurgy syllabus for the gate previous year papers, and in this video, we will try to understand topic-wise weightage for gate. So after creating this section wise weightage video, we got many requests for creating videos related to topic wise weightage. That's why we consider these things and we are creating this video. I hope you will not skip any of the part of this video, because that is very important for your preparation and for you for making your study plan. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you how we analyze this topic wise weightage for gate metallurgy. Okay, so in first slide we are considering only metallurgical thermodynamics, and the next thing is transport processes and rate processes. Okay, so these all things I have already discussed in revised syllabus of gate metallurgy video. If you did not watch those videos, go through our playlist and watch those videos. Okay, and the third thing is we are considering extractive metallurgy and mineral processing. Okay, so this the name is mineral processing and extractive metallurgy. So these three subjects we are considering in first slide, and in next slide we are considering physical metallurgy. That is very vast subject. So metallurgy, physical metallurgy and mechanical metallurgy. Okay, so these are the sections we considered for topic wise analysis. Okay, so this will be in second slide, and the third slide will be of manufacturing processes. Okay, so this is our analysis. In first part we will do for metallurgical thermodynamics, transport process and rate process, then extractive metallurgy. In second slide we will do physical metallurgy and mechanical metallurgy analysis, and in third slide we will do manufacturing processes. Okay, so and here I would like to tell you that I did not consider the question which were removed from the gate metallurgy syllabus. Suppose the hardness topic, composite and many more things I did not consider. I did not analyze those topics because they removed these things from gate metallurgy syllabus. Okay, so before considering before checking these calculations, this topic wise analysis, you may consider these things. Okay, for just for verifying. Okay, so I will tell you about these things in next slides. So here we categorized few topics from the section wise sections. Okay, so these all are from thermodynamics, metallurgical thermodynamics. These all are from transport processes. I am writing here. This is transport. This is thermodynamics. That is metallurgical thermodynamics, and the last few things are from extractive metallurgy part. Okay, so these are the three subjects we are covering for this in this slide. Okay, so I made the few topics like that. Basics of thermodynamics and kinetics means this will cover the whole first law, second law, third law of the thermodynamics, and entropy, enthalpy questions and basic questions. Then Billingham diagram is very well known topic. Corrosion and oxidation will cover all totally numericals questions from corrosion and oxidation as well. Then Sievert's law I have taken consider in a separate part because this is very important topic. Okay, the next thing is adiabatic flame temperature. I consider different topic because this is also very important for this year also. So phase equilibria and basics of phase diagram actually covers chemical potential, free energy versus composition curve, and all the phase diagram, all degree of freedom calculations. It is okay. So the next thing is equilibrium constant activity. From this part, the numerical portion is more related to the extractive metallurgy and thermodynamics. So they relate both things in this section. Okay, so the next topic is momentum transfer. That is the basics of fluid mechanics. Okay, and in that we will see the dimensions also, but I have chosen this Buckingham pi in different section. Okay, because this is very important from last few years. And heat transfer is in different sections, different topic. Mass transfer is different topic. Mass transfer basically includes the diffusion. Okay, so diffusion type of questions will be considered in this mass transfer part. Okay, so next is mineral processing, material balance. Extraction route basically consists pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy, electrometallurgy. Okay, so the questions wherever I need that special questions are from the different topics, I will identify those things. Okay, so don't worry about these things. Iron and steel making basically consists of BF, BOF route, EAF route, and all those things. Secondary steel making consists VAD, VOD, and all the secondary processes, that is the slag treatment also will come under the iron steel making, but in secondary steel making we will see all the decarbonization process, deoxidation processes, and removal of all the elements and addition of all the elements sequences type of questions we added in secondary steel making. Okay, so this is our analysis for the thermodynamics, transport processes, and extractive metallurgy. So now we will see year wise weightage of these topics. Okay, so we are starting from 2014 because for the 2013 which was set by IIT Bombay, we will make separate video on those things. Okay, so don't worry about those things. We got request for those 2013 and 2005 papers, so we will analyze those IIT Bombay paper also. Okay, so in 2013 the maximum part which was asked from these topics is from corrosion and oxidation, and this is very important part because they ask the questions related to the corrosion, theoretical questions as well as numerical questions. Like they can ask the questions from basic electrochemistry also, a potential cell, galvanic cell, related to potential cell and galvanic cell. Okay, so Sievert law is also very important. And in this year they did not ask adiabatic flame temperature. Okay, phase equilibrium was also there, so five marks question was asked. Equilibrium constant and activity questions, so this was numerical in this year. Momentum transfer one question. Heat transfer 2 marks question. Mass transfer was not there, means diffusion question was not there in 2014. Buckingham pi was also not there. Mineral processing 1 marks. This mineral processing basically consists of all the concentration process, combination techniques, laws of combination, and agglomeration, and all the unit processes like roasting and calcinations. Okay, so don't be confused about this category. Okay, so the material balance is very important topic, and every year you will get the marks of 2 or 4 marks. Okay, extraction route basically 2 marks, iron steel making 3 marks, and secondary steel making 3 marks. So after this corrosion and oxidation you will get that this iron steel making is very important for this year also. Okay, so now next year is 2015. So I already identified that this year was very really relatively easy paper, and in that easy paper they asked the basic thermodynamics and kinetics 5 marks question. Okay, and Illingham diagram question 1 marks, corrosion oxidation 4 marks again. So this is very important topic. I told Sievert's law no question, adiabatic flame temperature no questions, phase equilibria 5 marks question, equilibrium constant and activity 2 marks. Okay, momentum transfer 2 marks, mass transfer 3 marks. There were no question of Buckingham pi. Okay, and mineral processing was of 2 marks. Material balance 2 marks, extraction loop 2 marks, iron making, steel making 4 marks, and secondary steel making 1 marks. Okay, so in this year 2015 we can see that the maximum questions were from phase equilibrium, basics of phase diagrams. Okay, so this is also very important topic. In 2016 that was relatively tough from 2015 paper, and in basic thermodynamics they asked only 2 marks question. However, you can say that questions from base phase equilibrium, basics of phase diagram, they asked 6 marks question. Okay, and 1 marks from Illingham diagram, corrosion oxidation as usual. And Sievert's law will always come into 1 marks or 2 marks question. Okay, so this is very important. They give sometimes in this matching type of questions also, that how Sievert's law related from for what Sievert's law is applicable. Okay, so that is the way of asking the questions. In MSQ type of questions they may ask. Momentum transfer was more, that is 4 marks question, and I have written units because in this paper they asked 2 marks question of units and dimensions only. Okay, so that was matching type of question and very easy to match those things. Heat transfer were 2 marks, there was no mass transfer. Buckingham pi was not there. Mineral processing 2 marks, that was concentration question. Material balance were 4 marks. Okay, so this was very important year for material balance aspect. Okay, so that question was not easy for those who wrote that exam. During the exam, material balance question is not easy, doing not easy. Okay, so do as much as you can practice of material balance questions. Okay, and in proper way. Extraction route, there was no question. Iron steel making 2 marks, and secondary steel making no questions. Okay, so now 2017 paper, that was a relatively tough paper, and they ask the questions maximum from different topics. Okay, they did not ask the questions from bulk. Okay, so the basics of thermodynamics 3 marks. In this basics of thermodynamics and kinetics also consist of kinetics law, that basic chemistry kinetics law. Okay, And Illingham diagram 2 marks, that was Illingham diagram question was easy. Okay, corrosion and oxidation, in that part they asked the first time from the EHPH diagram, that is Porbeck's diagram, that was of 2 marks question. Okay, so that was graph type of question and we have to identify that those things. Sievert's law 1 marks. Adiabatic flame temperature, this was also new in this year and they introduced this adiabatic flame temperature in 2017. How to identify adiabatic flame temperature? I am not sure about 2000 before the 2013, but in 2014, 2015 and 2016 they did not ask adiabatic flame temperature. Okay, so phase equilibrium and basics phase diagram consists 5 marks. Okay, equilibrium constant and activity, equilibrium constant and activity 2 marks. They ask the numerical from this part. Momentum transfer, again they asked the unit. Okay, so unit and dimension was also important, however they introduce these things in syllabus now, but they are asking the questions from these topics from 2014 onwards. Okay, so that is not new syllabus according to me. Okay, heat transfer 2 marks. There was no question of mass transfer. Mineral processing, they asked two questions, a 2 marks question, that was from predominance area diagram and that was very beautiful question. Okay, so I hope you will able to solve the predominance area diagram questions in exam also. So that was very important question. You can say you can see that here they introduce Porbeck's diagram, they introduce a predominance diagram also. They asked the question from electrometallurgy also, electrometallurgy route. Okay, so that is 2 marks question and numerical type of questions. Iron and steel making was of 5 marks. Okay, so this extractive metallurgy part will mostly from matching type of questions or will be of MSQ type of questions in 2021. Okay, so the next year is 2018, and in 2018 you can say the basics of thermodynamics and kinetics part were more, that was 8 marks. And no question from Illingham diagram, only 1 marks from oxidation and corrosion. No question from Sievert's law, adiabatic flame temperature was not there. Phase equilibrium, basics of phase diagram 3 marks. Equilibrium constant activity 2 marks. Momentum transfer 3 marks. Heat transfer 2 marks. Mass transfer 1 marks. Buckingham Pi question was introduced in 2018. Okay, so first time this question was asked in 2018, and in 2020, after 2020 they introduced the revised syllabus, and in that syllabus they have written that Buckingham Pi is in syllabus. Okay, but they asked the question in 2018 itself, so this was not new topic. Okay, mineral processing 2 marks, that was concentration question. Material balance 2 marks. 4 marks question was extraction route, from extraction route, and from this extraction route 2 marks question was from electrometallurgy, that was numerical. Okay, and sometimes they asked the electro deposition question and electrolytic refining questions, so that was very important. So you should revise those concepts, recall those concepts from your notes. Okay, so iron and steel making 1 marks and secondary steel making 2 marks. So next year is 2019, and in this year they give the importance of every topic, you can see here, and that is more or less equals. Means basic thermodynamics 2 marks, Illingham diagram 1 marks, corrosion oxidation 3 marks, Sievert's law 2 marks. There was no question of adiabatic flame temperature. This adiabatic flame temperature I include because this is very important for this year. Okay, you will see one question, you may get one question from this adiabatic flame temperature. So try to learn these things, how to identify adiabatic flame temperature. And this phase equilibrium basics 2 marks, equilibrium constant 3 marks. There was no question of momentum transfer. However, you can say from this 2014 to 2018 every year they give the question from momentum transfer, that was basics of fluid mechanics. Okay, so no question was there in here. Heat transfer 2 marks, mass transfer 2 marks. Buckingham Pi, again they asked the Buckingham Pi question and that was of 1 marks. Mineral processing 2 marks, material balance 4 marks. There was no question from extraction route. And iron steel making 3 marks question was there, and 2 marks question was asked from blast furnace numerical. Okay, so that was related to the permeability of blast furnace, so that was based on the Darcy law. You can see those things. If you find any problem for solving those questions, you can contact me through the Instagram page. I will try to add those questions in our upcoming videos. Okay, so secondary steel making was there in of 4 marks, so that was very important in this year. And I already identified 2019 that in manufacturing process and in extractive metallurgy there was more portion. Okay, so secondary steel making was of 4 marks, that was matching type of questions. Okay, So in 2020, sorry, 2020, we will see there was no questions from this basic thermodynamics and Ellingham diagram. 8 marks question was from corrosion and oxidation. Okay, so there that was related to the parabolic rate law and the corrosion and oxidations law. Basically adiabatic flame temperature was of 1 mark, so you can say in after 3 years you get 2 marks, after 2 years you get 1 mark. So this year maybe they ask the questions. Okay, so phase equilibria 3 marks, there was no question of equilibrium constant and activity in this year. Momentum transfer 2 marks, heat transfer 1 marks, mass transfer 3 marks. Mass transfer was diffusion type of numerical, so that was very important in this year. And mineral processing 2 marks, material balance 2 marks. Extraction route was 5 marks, because this extraction route basically includes all pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy, and that matching type of question that came from mixtures of the processes and process route, extraction process route. Okay, basically the extraction routes. So that I all include in extraction route. Okay, so iron steel making 2 marks. So this was all about the thermodynamics part, transport processes and extractive metallurgy. Now the idea is that we what topic we should focus. So for the important topics, for the relevant topics for which we should give more importance, I will give a separate video when we will discussing about the paper which was said by IIT Bombay. Okay, so don't worry about these things, we will conclude those things. So the next part is physical metallurgy and mechanical metallurgy part, and in that part I have categorized for important topics only, because that was very vast for us to separate those topics. Okay, so we choose the chemical bonding and crystal systems, that is related to the question through crystal structure and basic crystal structure principles, that wide size questions, and all that is related to the crystal system, and uh, basic calculations of planar density, linear density, theoretical density, those all will come under this section. Okay, so the next section is X-ray diffraction and SEM, that is scanning electron microscope. So this X-ray diffraction is very important, and sometimes they include SEM question. Okay, so next topic is solidification. So this is very important, and this consists all nucleation and growth part. Also, this consists the numerical part of solidification, that is related to the critical nuclear size and all you have gone through. So I have covered those things in under this topic, solidification. Heat treatment is basically consists CCT or triple T diagram. So and all the microstructural analysis type things I have included in heat treatment. Edge hardening I have taken a consideration in different topic, because this is very important topic, and sometimes they ask the questions from directly from the this topic, edge hardening. That's why I've taken this separate part. Magnetic material is very important. Every year you will get the question from this type. Semiconductors and electronic materials, they will give questions from this topic sure. So this was all physical metallurgy part from here to here, and after that this mechanical metallurgy part will be started. So I have taken stress strain one topic, stress strain, that is basics of mechanical metallurgy, and it will include stress tensor and strain tensors, Mohr circles, and everything in this stress strain part, that is resilience, toughness, everything that is basics of mechanical metallurgy. And next part is slip and twin system, so that is very important. Dislocation theory is different section, and in this dislocation theory itself I have included strengthening mechanism questions, because that was not different from these things. So sometimes they match up these both and they give the question. So that is very tough to separate those things. So the next thing is fracture mechanics. So this fracture mechanics basically consists of all the basics of fracture mechanics, and in Griffith theory I have taken separately, because this is very important topic. That's why I have taken separately. However, I should put these things in fracture mechanics itself. Okay, so just showing the importance of this Griffith theory, I have taken this in separate part. So this fracture mechanics basically consists of all the basics of fracture mechanics, and the appearance after the fracture mechanics, how it will appear in ductile fracture, how it will appear after the brittle fracture. Those things I have considered in this fracture mechanics itself, and fracture toughness question was also in this part itself. Okay, then the next topic is fatigue. I have considered different in different topic, because this is very important, and now this is in previous years very important in numerical aspects. Okay, and creep is also, and in creep also I have included superplasticity of all things. Okay, so now we will see for 2014, we can observe that they asked the question from chemical bonding and crystal system itself from 6 marks. Okay, so this was very easy part for students, and they asked the 6 mark question, and the maximum marks which was asked in this year was stress strain diagram. So this is not only stress strain, actually that is all which is related to the stress strain things, so that all will come under this stress strain part. Okay, so there were no questions from slip and twin system and dislocation theory 5 marks, fracture mechanics 1 marks, Griffith theory no questions, fatigue 1 marks, and creep 1 marks. Okay, so this was very uh, balanced questions, but in the stress strain type of questions they asked mostly questions from this topic. And in 2015 you can see there were no question from chemical bonding and crystal system. They asked the questions from X-ray diffraction and SEM, solidification, heat treatment, edge hardening question, no questions were there, magnetic materials no question, semiconductor electronics 3 marks question, stress strain 1 marks, 5 marks dislocation theory, and 4 marks fracture mechanics, Griffith theory 2 marks, and creep 1. The next year is 2016, and in this year they introduced few new things. Okay, so in chemical bonding crystal structure they asked 4 marks question, X-ray diffraction and SEM 1 marks, 4 marks from this solidification, and in this 4 marks I have written AK, that is of 2 marks, that is Abrami kinetics. Okay, so this Abrami kinetics is very important topic for solidification and growth kinetics. Okay, so this is very important. Heat treatment 1 marks. There was no question of magnetic material edge hardening. 2 marks question was from electronic materials and semiconductor, 1 stress strain, and 3 marks from dislocation theory. Fracture mechanics no question. Griffith theory 2 marks. Fatigue 2 marks, that was from SN curve. This is SN, I have written SN, that is means SN curve question was there, means numerical type of questions, and 1 marks from creep. In year 2017 they asked question from chemical bonding and crystal system, that is 4 marks, and in one matching type of question was there from fold how many fold rotation in crystal system, so that was matching type of question and that was easy. X-ray diffraction and SEM 1 question, 5 marks from solidification, and in that 5 marks 2 marks question was from Abrami kinetics. Okay, Abrami kinetics was very important topic in that time in 2016 and 2017. Okay, and one question from heat treatment part, edge hardening 1, 2 magnetic materials, semiconductor and electronic materials 2 marks, 4 marks were from stress strain diagram, that was very easy part. Slip system and twin system 3 marks, dislocation theory 3 marks, there was no question from fracture mechanics. Griffith theory were of 1 marks, 2 marks from fatigue, and 1 marks from creep. Okay, year is 2018 year, and in that year they did not ask any question from chemical bonding and crystal system. They asked the question from X-ray diffraction itself, 6 questions from solidification type of solidification, and 2 marks question was from heat treatment, that was based on the diagram, and 3 marks question was from magnetic material, and that was saturation magnetization question, and also one more question for 1 marks. Okay, in semiconductor and materials they did not ask any question. Stress strain diagram 4 marks, and slip and twin systems 5 marks, and for dislocation theory they asked the 2 marks question. For fracture mechanics 2 marks question, there was no question from Griffith theory, there was no question from fatigue. 2 marks question from creep was there, that was numerical type of problem. Okay, so this year is this year was also very important. So next year is 2019, and in this year they asked the question 3 marks question from X-ray diffraction and chemical bonding and crystal system, 2 marks question from solidification, there was no question from heat treatment, no question from edge hardening, no from magnetic material, no question from semiconductor material. 4 marks question were from stress strain diagram. Okay, and 3 marks question were from slip system and twin system. 2 marks question were from dislocation theory. Fracture mechanics there were no question, 1 marks question from Griffith theory, and 3 marks question from fatigue, and from that one marks question was from for related to the fatigue fracture behavior, and 2 marks question was from SN curve. Okay, so this SN curve is very important part, because in 2016 they asked the question, in 2019 they asked the question. Okay, so be ready for this type of questions. And 1 mark question related to the creep in 2020 they asked 6 marks question from crystal system and basic chemical bondings, 2 marks from X-ray diffraction, 3 marks from solidification, no question from heat treatment, 1 marks of edge hardening. So edge hardening here they asked in 2017, they asked the edge hardening question. Material, 2 marks question was there, that was matching type of question. Semiconductor material and electronic materials, they asked 3 marks question. Stress strain, 1 mark. Slip and twist system, 3 marks. Dislocation theory, 2 marks. There were no question from fracture mechanics, there was no question from Griffith theory itself. Fatigue, 2 marks, and 5 marks from creep. So this was very important here for the students who prepared for creep chapter. Okay, so creep chapter was very important in that year, and 5 marks question was asked from this creep chapter. Okay, so here we can conclude that in fatigue and creep is very important topic, and also dislocation theory is very important, and fracture mechanics. Okay, and sometimes in slip system and twin systems they are asking questions continuously from the year 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020. Okay, so this is also very important topic now. And semiconductor and electronic material, there is a fixed questions there they will ask fixed questions from this topic, and magnetic material also. Okay, so be prepared with these topics, and I will also tell you the important topics for 2021 in our upcoming videos, in which we will try to analyze the paper which was set by IIT Bombay. Okay, so don't worry about those things, I will be covering in next video. So the next part is manufacturing part, and in this manufacturing part I have categorized like that: metal casting process. This is fundamental manufacturing process, means whatever the question from miscellaneous topics I have included in this type, and fundamentals of metal forming I have included in this manufacturing process itself. Okay, so metal forming processes questions we will see uh, different section, that is metal forming means rolling, forging, extrusion, deep drawing, wire drawing, sheet metal forming. Metal joining, that will covering welding and brazing and soldering also. Powder metallurgy is in different topic. Defects in manufacturing, I have choose different topic because this sometimes they give the matching type of question from defects in manufacturing process, so this is very tough to separate those things. That's why I have chosen this defects in manufacturing process. And next is NDT, that is basically non-destructive testing for identifying the defects in manufacturing processes. Okay, so in 2014 you can see that there is no question from metal casting process and fundamental manufacturing process. They asked the 2 marks question from metal forming process, 3 marks metal joining, that was building, and powder metallurgy 2 marks, defects in manufacturing process 1 marks, and NDT 1 marks. In 2015 you can see that there was no question from casting, 2 marks question were from fundamentals of manufacturing process, and 3 marks from metal forming. And in this metal forming process they ask the question from the products of that forming process, means suppose if they are asking about rolling, so they will ask about the product which was produced from rolling, that is railway tracks. Okay, so that type of question that was asked in under this metal forming process. Okay, mostly in metal joining 3 marks question was there, and one question was related to HUJ, that is HAZ, means heat affected zone in welding processes. Okay, and 4 marks question was for powder metallurgy, that is basically 2 marks question. Sometimes they ask the numerical type of questions, that is green density and centering density, center density. Okay, and the next thing is defects in manufacturing. This is very important for matching type of questions, and now in this MSQs type of questions. Okay, so defects in manufacturing was very important. NDT 2 marks. Okay, so every year you will get that they are keep asking the questions from this defects and this NDT. Okay, so in 2017 there were no question from metal casting, fundamental manufacturing process 3 marks, metal forming process 8 marks. So this was very high. They asked the question from metal forming process, and mostly they asked the question from rolling and forging itself. Okay, metal joining was 1 marks, powder metallurgy 3 marks, and they introduced new type of question, that was finding of neck size. Okay, so this is very important question, neck size question. Defects, there were no questions, 1 marks question from NDT. Okay, next in 2017 in metal casting 2 marks question, they asked about the roughness of the casting processes. Okay, and fundamental of manufacturing, there were no question. Metal forming process 4 marks question, that was matching type of also. And powder metallurgy 4, again they asked 2 marks question from this neck size, to find the neck size. Okay, so I will suggest you go through this neck size of type of questions. If you are not able to solve those things, please message us on Instagram, I will include those things in our upcoming videos. There were no question from defects, one question from NDT in 2017. Okay, so in 2018 one question was from metal casting process, one from fundamental of manufacturing process, 3 marks question were from extrusion process. Sorry, that was from metal forming, but 2 marks question was from extrusion process. Okay, so metal joining was of 4 marks, and in that 4 marks they asked the one numerical, powder metallurgy 2 marks, defects in manufacturing process 2 marks, and 1 marks for NDT. In 2019, metal casting 2 marks, my fundamental of manufacturing process 3 marks, metal forming 4 marks, and in this matching they ask the questions related to the products of forming processes. Okay, and in metal joining 3 marks, and in that 3 marks 2 marks were from for metal welding numerical. Okay, so they asked the one question of welding numerical. So I have already covered that welding numerical in one separate video. Please go through our playlist of manufacturing process and watch that video. Powder metallurgy 2 marks, defects in manufacturing process 1 marks, and NDT 1 marks. Okay, so the next year is 2020. Okay, so metal casting 3 marks, that was very important in this year, and fundamentals of manufacturing process 2 marks, metal forming 1 marks, metal joining 2 marks. There were no question from this part, there was no question from defects in manufacturing. They asked the 2 marks question from this NDT type of problem. Okay, and in 1 year they asked the question related to the NDT and fracture toughness together by combining those things. Okay, so the idea is they are asking the questions in manufacturing process from NDT and defects in manufacturing process in every year. Okay, and from powder metallurgy also they asked the question from 2 to 4 marks from powder metallurgy, that is PM. So this is very important. Metal forming process, I will say you that this manufacturing process, all manufacturing process syllabus is very important. Okay, so sometimes students ignore these things, manufacturing and extractive, so don't ignore those things, try to learn those things, how to remember those things, try to get the tricks to learn those things. Okay, and if you are not focusing on these topics for gate metallurgy, so you are going into the wrong direction. So I will suggest you, please go through these topics, please make a list of important topics, so that will give you a hope for clearing the gate metallurgy. Okay, so please make your study plan according to these topics, and I will be covering IIT Bombay paper, which was set by IIT Bombay in 2013, 2005, 1999, and also I can include 1993 paper, maybe 1993 or 1992 it was. I not exactly remember, but I will include these things. So guys, for your attention, hope you have get some idea for gate metallurgy topic wise weightage in this video, and also we are covering the IIT Bombay paper in our upcoming videos. So that was also requested by few of the students on Instagram, that's why we are considering those things, and also we will tell you the important topics for 2021 in next video. Okay, so subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications.